The chairman of the Law Society of Kenya Thika chapter Daniel Gashau Mwangi and the Thika business community have donated building materials towards the construction of a new registry at the Thika Law Courts as various stakeholders come in handy to hasten the actualization of the newly gazetted Thika High Court. The move is geared towards decongesting the existing law courts, which serves over 1.2 million residents in Thika, Juja, Ruiru, Gatundu North and Gatundu South sub-counties. Thika District Business Association Chairman Alfred Wanyoike said that the new High Court will go a long way in helping the business community to access justice easily, thus easing the business environment.
My name is Daniel Gashau Mwangi, the chair, Thika chapter of the LSK. Giving a personal donation is a continuation of the observation that for access to justice to happen, people need to take deliberate steps for that to become a reality. And I saw it fit to come and partner and add this resource to make this court more effective, to make it more accessible to justice, to increase the social transformation. That is to say, about 1.2 million people will be served directly together with their commercial interests in the High Court at Thika. We continue to thank the Chief Justice for her decision to gazette Thika as a High Court, and we cannot let this young child now start walking along on her own. We need to pad her, we need to make her resources, and we need to come together and make this a reality.
On behalf of the business community of Thika, first, we are glad and happy to be part of the CUC of this court, and also as partners, we would call development partners in such projects where we partner with our other stakeholders to make our town or our city, let me call it, a better place to live in. When the chief, Juja, through the CUC and other stakeholders, approached us as business community to partner in this project, we gladly came in because we are part of it, and we are glad that out of this good work and harmony, we are glad that we have a High Court now, which is going to make work easier as far as judicial matters are concerned to our people, the business community, the residents of Thika, and all stakeholders and citizens of this part of Kiambu County. The business community has produced, is the one driving this project, and we are calling upon others who have not actually come up. Let's finish this, and we get the judge start working immediately. These people have come here to serve us as Thika people, and the more we assist them to serve us better, the more we get faster and easier services for progress of our area.
Thika Chief Magistrate Stella Atambo thanked the donors, adding that the extension of the registry will go a long way in decongesting the courts and ensuring faster and better service delivery to the people. She encouraged other stakeholders to join in and assist in any way so as to make the facility ease the burden of case backlogs.
Today is a very good day for us, a happy day for us at Thika Law Court. The LSK, the Law Society, Thika chapter chairman, has donated 7 tons of sand, as you can see in the background, to the court for the extension of our registries at Thika Law Court. And this will help us start the process of the extension in a bid to create more space for our operations as a court. This is a very good sign of collaboration between the court and the stakeholders, and more specifically this one, the Law Society of Kenya, Thika chapter. It is indeed a great day for us because we are so much in need of space, and we look forward to more donors coming forward to help us towards service delivery and delivering justice to the Kenyan people and the community in Thika. And we're also glad to have the Thika Business Community Chair. He has also donated, you can see the Thika Business Community, they've also donated quite a number of materials that are on site, and we expect this the excavation to start on Monday. At Thika Law Courts, we have a challenge, a very big challenge with space, especially now that we have the High Court coming in, and our presiding judge is reporting on the 30th of October. So as it were, this will go a long way towards decongesting, especially our registries, because now we are seeing more work, more cases being filed at Thika Law Courts. And this is an expression perhaps of the confidence that the people have in us, and also of the service delivery. So what we are witnessing today is a perfect example of collaboration between the judiciary and the stakeholders, and now specifically our Thika Chief Magistrate's Court Users Committee, the stakeholders. There are about 6-7 registries if we add the High Court registry as well. So this is really something that we need, and we are looking forward to more of our stakeholders coming on board so that we are able to deliver the service effectively to them and while we are comfortable. Thika having a High Court means a lot of things to everyone. But what I would just say is that we're actually realizing our institution's vision of STAJ, that is social transformation through access to justice, and now bringing the High Court closer to the people, considering that it's a vast region and our people have been going to Kiambu High Court. That also means that cases will be heard faster now that we have our own presiding judge. It also means it's a good practice for the lawyers who are in town. It is also accessing justice for our people who want to file matters at the initial stage at the High Court. So instead of the long distances and maybe the long wait, then we have our own High Court at your doorstep. It also means that we will see a quicker conclusion of our cases in terms of the criminal appeals, the civil appeals, and Thika Law Courts, as it were, has a very large number of magistrates. We have about 12 magistrates, and remember that it was the first small claims court as well in Kiambu County. The jurisdiction of the Thika High Court is going to be Gatundu, Ruiru, and Thika itself. And when you look at the areas that I have mentioned, they are quite expansive and the population is also quite high. So it's actually going to decongest, sort of, if I may use that word, our Kiambu High Court. And that means very many things. It's a ripple effect, a butterfly effect. So much good going out there.
First and foremost, to thank the Chair LSK, Thika chapter, and also the Chair business community for their collaboration and cooperation and whatever they have donated. I also want to take the opportunity to thank my boss, Honorable Stella Atambo, the Chief Magistrate, Thika Law Courts. She has really fought and worked hard to ensure that we have a High Court here. This is her fruits or her sweat that has brought that to play. It will really go a long way to help the litigants around, because now the cost that they will be paying will be lesser. So we thank God for everything that He has done, and we welcome each and every person who want to partner with Thika Law Courts and Thika High Court to come in, and we will give you the best service we can as Thika High Court.
My name is Wabogo Benjamin. I practice here within Thika, and as a stakeholder, I would state that we are extremely happy for the growth that we have seen in this station. This is actually our farm, what we call our farm. Every day we come here every morning, hoping that in the evening we'll have to take our bread and butter somewhere. I think this has come a long way due to the collaboration that we advocates have had with the judiciary through the CM. In the recent past, we have seen an open door policy where the issues that we have are raised and are addressed. I think that is also one reason of why we have seen the growth and the inception of the High Courts at Thika Law Courts.
And I'm very happy. I'm also a happy person. And I can say that what the CM has done to this station, I think he has transformed this place, and we are very happy as advocates around, and more especially some of us who are based in Thika. I think this is a privilege. We have come a long way. I think now the High Court is with us, which is a very nice thing. And we wish also to thank our chair for what he has actually done, and it's a good gesture to all of us.